Hi guys, hope you're all okay. Today I have got a Glossy Box unboxing. I have a cold. I will try my best to edit any sniffing, coughing, spluttering and general moaning out. I will try. State of my hair, basically went to work today, came home, fell asleep on the sofa. So yeah, that's that. I feel like you're a bit close to me. You are currently rested on a China pumpkin because my little mini tripod that I use in this situation is still packed. We got home from Poland on Monday night. I'm recording this on Wednesday night and I am not an adult and I have not started unpacking yet and probably won't until I'm working Saturday, so probably Sunday. So yes, right, Glossy Box unboxing. If you watched last month's video, you may remember I wasn't very happy. And I was like, I'm going to list everything on eBay. I didn't, I just whacked it all back in the box and it's in the spare bedroom. Because I'm not an organised person. That might be surprising to some of you, but yeah. But I do hope it's good. I am still kind of thinking I'm going to keep them going till the December box, because December box is normally good. And then January, maybe no more. But yeah, November's box. It's relatively heavy. I don't know if that's a good sign or a bad sign, but it's relatively heavy. Got the little leaflet. I hope, for the sake of Glossy Box, there's not a fragrance because I can't smell anything. That is what the box looks like. Right, let's do the big thing first. We have a wet Pro Brush Pop Fold Professional brush. This is full size. And these are from Boots and you can get it for $13.99. When the wet brush team heard the cries of those struggling to tangle their knotty hair, they sat up and listened. This travel size version of the how do you open it? It's a brush that apparently won't damage your hair if you use it on wet hair. What if you use it on hair that you've had a nappy? I want to come out of the box. Oh, okay. So this is what it looks like. Oh, click, and then you push that. There you go. My hair's not wet, but ooh, ooh. Well, it goes through the tangles really easily. Also, it takes out any volume you had in your fine ass hair, but that's not bad, you know. Not bad. Okay, happy with that one. How do you hold it back down? Ooh. Handy. Next item is the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula 24-hour moisture. As a plump girl that used to be a lot plumper. Oh, it's the solid one. So what do you do with the solid one? I've never had a solid one before. It's always been kind of creamy, but that is solid. I don't know. So this is Deluxe Mini. Dry skin, lips, smooth scars, nourishes dry hair. Oh, oh, you can put it on the ends. Ooh, see? Anyway, as a chubby girl that used to be chubbier, when I was on my weight loss journey, I did lather every stretch mark cream on earth to try and get some elasticity back. I think I was too far gone. It didn't happen. But I had a lot of friends that had babies that recommended this brand to help with the, you know, stomach skin getting back. But obviously mine had been stretched for a lot longer than 9 months. So it smells like, I always like the smell of this stuff. So the Deluxe Mini 30 grams is worth £1.99. Next thing I've got is a Huda Beauty Liquid Matte. This is full size. The Liquid Matte lipstick in the shade Girlfriend. These are 18 quid. Does it dry matte? It's very wet. It's a very pretty colour. Smells like amaretto. Very pretty colour. I like that. Oh, it is drying quite matte. I might have put it on a bit thick, but yeah. But in my brain, it smells like amaretto. Okay. Next item, Context Microderm Regenerator. You are a 2-in-1 cleanser with a difference, using professional microdermabrasion crystals. I can't say that word. It gently exfoliates, polishes and purifies. Powerful antioxidants, also protects cells and free fighting radicals. This is a Deluxe Mini, a 30ml, and it's worth £6.50. One of those things on. I can't smell anything. Oh, 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 okay. So it's a gel. See the little blue dot? If I hide my hand, hide my head. See the blue dot? That's one of them crystal thingies. They don't. Okay, where am I going to do it with that? Oh. So it's not just the blue crystal things, there's like white clear things in that you can feel. It doesn't hurt, it's not a rough, but yeah, it's there. Now what am I going to do? I've got stuff all over my hands. That wasn't well thought out. Okay, nice. I have a Chloe perfume fragrance, which I have no sense of smell at the moment due to the cold, so I can't smell that, but it's just a standard little you know, 1ml, 1ml, 1.2ml perfume of Chloe Eau de Perfume. I spent a lot of time in airports recently, Stansted, Gdansk, and then obviously Gdansk and Stansted back. Smelled a lot of perfumes over the last couple of weeks. Fell back in love. Like my two, like, I don't want to say my all-time favourite because I love Very Valentino, which they don't make anymore. It's like my favourite perfume of life. But then my like other two, like my top three would be, yeah, Very Valentino, Flower Bomb by Victor Rolf, and Chanel No. 5 by Chanel. However, I've very much, after all the sniffing of perfume departments, I've very much fallen in love, or back in love, with DKNY, the apple one. I always used to like the red and the green one, but I spelt the light pink one, and I really quite like that. Anyway, the last thing is it Style London? Eton eyeshadow palette. Pocket size palette, recommended retail £9.99. Let's have a go. I can't swatch anything because I'm covered in blooming cleansing gel, whatever it is I've got over the back of my hand. Ooh, it was worth the wait. Look how party season are those. Colours aren't coming up as well as they are on, but I have a really like beloved quad palette which is one of the Fleur de Forces one that she did like 2 years ago. And this is very similar to one of the shades in there. I love it, but this coppery and red colour, that kind of combo over Christmas, is gonna be worn with a whole lot of thick eyeliner and lots of mascara. But yes, I like that. So I've gone from hating last month's box to actually liking everything I've got. So maybe the Glossybox god smiled on me this month. Because yeah, I like every item in this box, which is unusual because I think I hated every item in last month's box. But yes, well, I don't know about that, but I don't hate anything, and I think this is awesome, and the eyeshadow palette is, yeah, so Glossybox this month gets 2 thumbs up. Happy. Let's see what December's box brings. Oh, right, I'm gonna go and have a cup of tea and wash my hands. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye guys.